Hi, Rene here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm going to go ahead and stop you there, okay? Because you need to subscribe to my channel, all right? You need to become a part of the family because this is a place where I do my hair, a little bit of makeup, a little bit of beauty, okay, some lifestyle. I basically just pull myself together, and I love to take my family on the journey with me. So in order for you to go on these journeys, you gotta be a part of the family. So go ahead and subscribe, all right? And those that are already a part of the family, you know I love and appreciate you, and I'm glad that you are back kicking it with me today, okay? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a product review of the EZ Detangler hairbrush, okay? Now they did not send it to me. I bought it with my own ducats, okay? And I'm going to show you guys how it works. Now if you want to see how I got my hair looking like this, be sure to stay tuned. Hey guys, as I said previously, I'm going to be using the EZ Detangler drying solution. Let me show y'all. So the EZ Dryer and Detangler solution, I bought this with my own money, okay? EZ Detangler did not send me this without me paying. But you know, EZ Detangler, holla at your girl, okay? Holla at your girl. Anywho, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how this dryer brush works, giving y'all all the deets about it, and seeing how it works on my hair, okay? So basically the box says EZ Dryer, and it's supposed to be like an iron dryer, and all these great things. So when you open the box, boom, take the top off. It comes, you have your dryer all nice and covered, and it comes with a booklet. So basically the booklet gives you like all the advantages, disadvantages, safety instructions, and also like tells you everything about the dryer and like, you know, what's what basically. I went ahead and got me the black and pink one, okay? And so I'm pretty excited to use it, and as you see here, it has like high, cool, low, and off. And so I was prompted to buy this because it has the cool setting, so I'll be able to, you know, blow dry my hair without having heat damage. And if y'all remember, with my whole blow dryer setup, like, you know, my comb don't match with the dryer that I use, and then like I got the cool shot button that I got to hold, just too much. So I figured I might need to get a product that has everything in there. I don't have to hold the brush down, I don't have to hold the cool shot, but you get where I'm going, just to make things easier, okay? And so my hair is freshly washed, deep conditioned, detangled, and all that jazz. I was supposed to do my hair earlier, but I got lazy, and so here we are. And so I got these nice 4 plaits in here, child, and we're gonna blow it out and see what happens, okay? So basically, right here, per the instructions, okay, this is the non-detachable brush head here, so like, you know, all these little holes, all the air is gonna flow through those holes and give you what you need, okay? And then you have, it's supposed to be an ergonomic design, so I guess thick enough so you can hold it, and then your hands won't get tired with a heavy grip, right? And then you got all your heating indication things here, as far as hot, cold, low, or off, and then this is where the air goes in. And, which I thought was mad cool, it has like a swivel cord, so like when you're working on different parts of your head, like the cord is working with you, and that's always great, okay? So let me go ahead and plug this up so we can get started. Okay, so something that I noticed off break when I was like, you know, unraveling the cord, that it is kind of short. It is a little short, so you probably need to be, you know, doing your hair closer to an outlet, FYI, okay? So before we get started, I went ahead and just pinned my hair out the way. The hair that I'm not really focused on right now, since I'm gonna be using the cool setting, I don't really feel the need to use any heat protectant, okay? So like I said, my hair has been washed, deep conditioned, detangled. I just have a leave-in conditioner in there, but I don't have any other styling products in there. And my hair is still a little bit damp, surprisingly. Like, my hair has been left overnight, still damp, okay? Still like wet all inside this braid. All right, y'all, so you see me using this EZ Detangler dryer from my ends and working my way up to the roots, and like it's really getting through that hair. Like I'm really impressed so far. And just getting a little closer so y'all can see how easily that brush is just moving through my strands and getting everything dry and really straightening my hair on cool. Let me make sure I mention it to y'all. This is on cool, and you see how I'm getting back there at that root, getting the brushes right at that root and going all the way down to the end. Okay, all right. I'm still a little damp at the root, but I figured I'd handle that once I get the whole section detangled. And I can kind of like run my fingers through it, you know, like I said, still a little damp. But once I get the other section detangled, you know, I can get through it. But that's pretty good. Okay, well, we coming back. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pin this back. We'll do the next section up here. And it's funny, when I'm generally blow drying my hair, I'm used to like going in with like a detangling brush first, but because it has a brush on it, you don't even need that step. Okay, y'all, look, lot quicker than my easy blowout method. Like, okay, I might really be doing this from now on. Let's go ahead with my easy detangler. Just make sure everything is, you know, nice and detangled, which it really is. Look, y'all, nice and detangled. Okay, easy detangler, just going through this dry hair. Now, what I will say is that the root is not as, you know, straight, but obviously I haven't been using it in heat, so it's not going to be as straight. But we blown out, girl. We are blown out. Let's keep going, y'all.
All right, y'all, so I'm just following that same process, okay? Just straightening that hair. I started at the very ends of my hair and worked my way all the way up to the root. And here I am just redoing the entire section just to make sure everything is nice and dry the way I like.
Okay, look what we came from here. We came from a braid to this, okay? Hello, fingers going through. Okay, easy detangler. I see what y'all are doing. So I've done this side of my hair. It took me 6 minutes for this side, 8 minutes for that side. It may not take you that long. It also depends on how long your hair is, but I'm very detail oriented and I want to make sure everything is straight. And I have done this on cool. You know, for me to have, you know, blow dry my hair on cool, strictly cool, no heat, okay? No heat, not damaging, okay? The only damage you could probably get was just from mechanical damage with handling the hair, but no heat damage. And like, I have just blown through this, no pun intended. Okay, I'm so corny. But anyway, let me go ahead and do this next section. Now I'm coming right back.
All right, y'all, here I am finishing up that last section of hair. So this is really why it took me so long, because I was out here singing and like serenading and singing to my blow dryer. And so if you just focus, like I said, it wouldn't take you that long. Like I really was breezing through my hair and it was really an enjoyable experience, okay?
All right, y'all, so I'm all done. Yes, y'all, hair blow dried, okay? Hair is blown out, okay? On cool. All right, easy detangler. So I know like the question is, okay girl, easy detangler. So how much hair did you lose? We're gonna pull it out and see, honey. And then that is how much hair I lost. Okay, let's spread it out. I obviously had some lint in my hair. That's how much hair I lost, y'all. For all this hair on my head, that is not much at all, okay? And let's see how much we lost in the brush. So I did use the detangler brush a little bit too. And so this is from the Easy Detangler brush itself. Okay, that's from the Easy Detangler brush. And that's from the blow dryer. So like for my entire head, that's like not much of anything really, not much of anything. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my Easy Detangler hair drying tutorial, okay, and product review. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this is the truth. Like, it did what it was designed to do, right? And we did it all on cool, and then I don't have to worry about, like, you know, having heat damage. So I'm really excited to be incorporating this product into my now blowout hair routine. Easy Detangler is on to something with this hair dryer, okay? If you enjoyed this video, right, don't forget to like it. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you think of this product. If you're gonna try this product, definitely let me know. Now, before you go, you know what you need to do. You need to go ahead and become a part of the family and subscribe to my channel, okay? And until next time, see you later.
Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.